What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to talk about YouTube TV free trial. How to get it, how long does it last, what will you actually get from the free trial, how to cancel your subscription, and many things that are going to be discussed in this video. So stay with us. Now to get the YouTube TV free trial, you can simply choose any one of these add-ons that has the free trial tag beside it. You will find here some add-ons that doesn't have the free trial tag beside it. Just ignore them and choose the one that has free trial tag. So I'm going to choose base plan here, for example. Then click on next. And now to know exactly what you will get from the free trial, you should read the details of the plan that you are going to get. So here in this plan, as you can see, the base plan, you will get unlimited DVR space, 6 accounts per household, and thousands of on-demand titles. And the base plan also include 122 channels. And now when going to the Spanish plan, it also gives you the same features, but it only has 34 channels. So you need to read the details of the plan that you're going to get carefully in order to see what actually will you get. And now for the duration of the free trial, it will also be shown here in the plan details section. For the base plan, you will get 2-day free trial, and for the Spanish plan, you will get 7-day free trial. You should know that when you finish the free trial period, you will automatically convert it to the paid plan, and in this case, they will withdraw the money of the subscription for the month. And that's why they ask you to enter your payment information in the beginning when you try to get the free trial. So in order to cancel your subscription and avoid this problem, you can simply wait till the free trial ends and go to your profile icon right here and click on settings. After clicking on settings, go to the membership section and click on pause or cancel membership. And you can get extra days as a free trial if you use another email. So you can switch to another email and try to get also the free trial again with the same steps. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.